Umuthi munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua acemanitie na makomicona a kauntĩ 30 iria igũmĩirwo nĩ ng'aragu, kuria akinyĩrĩirie bata wa makomicona acio a kauntĩ, ona gwakorwo amwe ao marĩ mũhĩnga thabarĩ-inĩ ya gũthurwo gwa President William Ruto nake.
Officers of the National Government Administration remains the most efficient and effective officer of the Kenyan government. They are focused, they are committed, they know what to do. If we deploy them properly and appropriately and positively for our country's development and to help the people of Kenya, this country will succeed.
Augite thirikari nĩ ĩrabatara makomicona acio a kauntĩ nĩgetha mahote gũkinyanĩria wĩra wayo matũũra-inĩ, akiuga matikũhũthĩka kĩũteti ta hau kabere, ĩndĩ megũkorwo magĩtungata mũingĩ matũũra-inĩ.
Soon we'll call you for a seminar to take you through our manifesto so that you understand it, and together we work on it. I want to assure all of you, your jobs are safe. Ours is to have a fresh start of engaging and agreeing what we want the National Government Administration to do for the benefit of the people of Kenya. And there is a lot to be done, by the way. There is so much to be done, and we'll work together. I'm very happy, and I want to assure you that your presence in this government will be felt. You are our very serious partners.
Amaririkanĩtie bata wao kũnyitanĩra na thirikari cia kauntĩ, akiuga thirikari ona cirĩ nyingĩ iratungata mũkenya ũmwe.
We want to create friendship, we want to create synergy for our work to be better. You know, and you guys must understand, the governors have resources. If we work closely with them and we create friendship and synergy, those resources can be available to you and our people. And I implore every one of you to take it as a personal responsibility to reach out to your governor and make him feel comfortable with you and the National Government Administration and the entire national government. We want no conflict with the governors. It cannot help our cause.
Gachagua akinyĩrĩirie atĩ thirikari ĩrekĩrĩra kũrĩũkia wonjoria wa bũrũri kinyagia matũũra-inĩ, na makomicona aya megũkorwo mũhari-inĩ wa mbere gũkinyanĩria matanya maya. Mũthenya wa ira, mũnini wa President araugire atĩ atongoria ya rũhonge rwa wathani matũũra-inĩ makĩrĩgĩrĩrwo kũnyitanĩra na magavana gũkinyĩria andũ ũteithio wa irio, makĩria kauntĩ-inĩ iria cihatĩkĩtwo nĩ ng'aragu. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.